Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this cool material in UE 5.1 and you can change lots of things like a color and like tiling or like fast panning. You can do a lot of things here and I'm gonna make this material from scratch so you can learn everything. And I'll put this file on my Patreon so you can check this also. So let's make a cool material for my skeleton and I'll just make a material M skull and then I will duplicate I'll make an instance of it and I'll search for a static mesh skull and I have this skull. Let's use this here. Oops, sorry, here. And also I'll use open the base material